what's up? And I'm back with another vlog. Today I am traveling somewhere and just gonna have fun. So I thought I should just vlog and share this vlog with you guys. I have Pulkit here with me. You guys loved him in my last video, so yeah, I'm gonna include him a lot in my videos now. Free publicity, whatever. So we are right now going to one of his properties and there are a lot of amenities there, so I thought it would be a nice thing for me to visit there and just have some nice time, also click a lot of Instagram pictures which I so badly need. So that is one major reason why I am going, and yeah, I'll just take you guys along with me. Okay guys, I have finally made it to his place and I am loving it. I'm gonna give you a complete house tour. He gave me the permission to do this and it's like kind of designer. So you guys are gonna love it and it's crazy. So first I will just ask him to open the door again. You see me. Open.
Please.
Yes.
Welcome to my humble abode.
Thank you for allowing me to film your house.
Most welcome.
First we'll go ahead and enter the kitchen. Pretty plain, simple, nothing too fancy here. Then we have the washing area here. This is the living room, the dining table. Now we'll just go and see the bedroom. This is like a 2 BHK apartment. That's the washroom. But most important, like this one washroom which I freaked out on. So this is the overview of the bedroom. Oh, I'm matching with the bed.
Camouflage.
Now you guys need to see this. It's a bathtub which is so uncommon in Mumbai, and then we have a shower here. This is like my dream washroom. The lighting is so good here. I can like shoot a makeup video without worrying anything. Like yeah, like this can be my new background. Moving over to the second bedroom. This is the normal one. Yeah. Guest room because you don't have anyone. Yeah. So now we are just hungry, so we're gonna order something and they are gonna deliver it here itself. We're just gonna order some chips and
Juice? You want some juice?
juice. Yeah, coffee maybe. There's like a convenience store right below and that's just crazy. Like you just have to like text them and they'll deliver it to your house. So we'll go to the clubhouse now and they have amazing indoor games. So we'll see who wins, if it's me or him. Obviously it's me.
I'm professional, okay?
We'll see that in the clubhouse. Let's go. So we just entered the clubhouse and this is one thing which I really like. So they have a Ganesha temple here, which I think is an amazing thing because normally if there are societies like these, they forget about temples and all. So, yeah, that's a pretty nice thing. And not only that, they also have a Jain mandir here. So Derasar is here. Now we are in a room which is not made for me. You will expect me to be here, but you won't ever find me here. And it's the...
Since you eat so much of junk food, you should
What?
you eat junk food every day.
I don't eat junk.
Should I remind you about the Maggie and the chips and the juice we're having?
Anyway, so yeah.
I dare you to run for 2 minutes. Come on, do it.
Run for 2 minutes.
Yeah. 2 minutes. 2 minutes is basic.
I can do that, yeah. Let's do it.
Yeah.
Guys, we're gonna take this challenge and nail it. First, let me just be ready for it because I'm not dressed for gymming. I don't know how to start this, but
My God.
in 30 seconds, you guys will see how fit I am with this clothes on. I'm gonna gym. Hey!
Just don't fall. Please don't fall, Dhwani. Please don't fall.
It's too slow.
There is still time to back off, huh?
How to increase the speed?
Yeah. Keep pressing that. 2 is not a speed to run. It is not even walk. Okay? Please.
So I'll...
At least 6.
6 is not a... What a fuck, no.
My God. We need to burn all the chips we had. Okay, come on. Still not running. That is not running. That is not the dare.
Okay, 5, 4. Is it good?
6. Yeah. Somewhere close. Okay.
Okay, we'll see if I don't fall.
You should have heels on. Next dare is with heels on.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And I'm done. How to stop this now? How to stop this?
Yeah. Sorted. Good job. Good job. Now you get an Oreo shake from my side.
Now we'll just play this and see who wins. I'm not really good at it, but I'm not even bad.
Focus, focus. Oh. I had a feeling. Oh yeah, practice. Yeah, national level पे गई थी ना तो. Okay. Not bad, not bad.
At least I didn't hit it like, it didn't bounce or anything.
Haan. Could have been worse. Could have been worse. Right. Could have been worse. I give you that. Den. Oh, good try though. Good try though. Almost there. Look at that. It is almost there, guys.
Yeah, just like 2 inches left.
2 inches.
Hey guys, plan changed. This is not a challenge anymore.
It's one-sided.
I suck at it.
Yeah.
And we are gonna play some other game now. Then we have the kids. Oh my god. I'm gonna die in here, guys.
So I'm gonna show you a magic. Dhwani is gonna disappear, and then guess where she is. Ta-da! Then go on the slide.
And I don't think they'll allow me to do that.
Sad, tragic.
They have Xboxes, so you can come and play. I mean, my mind is blown away. You know, I'm probably gonna suck at this as well, but let's give it a shot.
middle of my stretches.
This is the group exercise room. I'll refer to as the dancing room because this is like a dream for dancers to have mirrors and then just perform. I just got a Ferrero Rocher milkshake from the juice bar that's here. Just sitting by the pool, having the time of my life. You guys, I was out and we shot a couple of pictures for Instagram and everything. I come to the washroom and I see this. I wish I had time to actually get inside this, but sadly we have to leave in some time. So next time, hopefully. So guys, that was it for this vlog. I really hope you guys had fun along with me. I so badly wish to live in a society like this now, like swimming pool and everything every day. I won't just get out of my society, I feel. So if you enjoyed this vlog, then definitely don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up, and also make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll see you guys in my next video now. Bye. Also, a big thanks to this guy.